As soon as I heard the Terminator X came out, I ordered it. Lance Dishroom from North Georgia. I got this 84 GMC 1500. I've been working on it for the last couple weeks. It's a 5.3 4L80. It's a VS S475. Slung the Terminator X Max on there. I fired it up. It was 2 a.m. Friday night, and we left 2 p.m. Friday after lunch. So kind of nerve-wracking because I had downloaded the software, years ago, the Holley EFI software, and I knew, kind of where things were and this and that, but this was really the first one that I had messed with, and it was, pulled the file, made a few tweaks. I had already purchased a GM 2.5 bar, and I brought a pigtail and slung it on there, hit one button, bam, scaled everything for a 2.5 bar map, and it hadn't missed a lick since. The reason that I wanted the Terminator X on this truck, for one, to try the Holley and see how it works, because I'm so used to HP, but you're extremely limited with HP factory ECM. With this, I have 4 inputs, I have 4 outputs, and I can do basically whatever I want. It's smart, it's the way everything's going, and it really, really works good. I was really, really impressed. I was nervous, but we got up there the first day, and I was like, dang, it's just awesome. So.